Looking for the perfect refreshing drink? Today, I'll show you how to make delicious homemade peach iced tea that's fruity, refreshing, and incredibly easy to prepare. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. You'll need ripe peaches, black tea bags, water, sugar or honey, ice cubes, and fresh lemon slices, or mint for garnish. Step 2. Make the peach syrup. Slice the peaches and simmer them with water and sugar for about 10 minutes until they're soft and the syrup becomes flavorful. Step 3. Brew the tea. Steep the tea bags in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes, then remove them to prevent the tea from becoming bitter. Step 4. Combine everything. Strain the peach syrup into the brewed tea, stir well, and let the mixture cool completely before serving. Step 5. Chill and serve. Fill a glass with ice, pour in the peach iced tea, and garnish with fresh peach slices, lemon, or mint for extra freshness. Enjoy your refreshing homemade peach iced tea, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes and refreshing drinks.